एवरीवन, वेलकम टू RSB आइडियाज़। तो आज हम बना रहे हैं ब्लैक पेपर कढ़ाई। तो पहले आपने चिकन के अंदर डालना है 1 कप योगर्ट, 1.5 टेबल स्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट, 1 टेबल स्पून ऑफ विनेगर, 1.5 टेबल स्पून ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर and marinate it for 1 hour.
Chopped onions and then some garlic, then some green chilli and then some ginger. Now add 1 cup of water. Then stir. Now cover this for 10 minutes. After cooked in water, grind these vegetables. After grinding the vegetables, take another pot and add oil. Now add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Now add your marinated chicken. Now we are adding cut potatoes. These are actually optional, but we are just adding it. Then again stir. Now add your paste. Now add some lemon juice. Now cover this and cook for 20 minutes. Now after cooking, we are adding half teaspoon white pepper, some green chilli, some coriander and mint leaves. Then stir. Now our kadai is ready. Now let's dish it out. Now our kadai is ready with gravy.